Good morning, children. Today in quadrilaterals part 4 we are going to continue with the exercise problems. Question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Here we are given ABCD is a quadrilateral with the following conditions: that the diagonals AC and BD which intersect at the point O is bisected. That means AO is equal to CO and BO equal to DO. And the diagonals are bisecting at right angles. That means each angles like AOB, BOC, COD and angle AOD will be 90 degree. We need to prove it is a rhombus. We can say a quadrilateral will be a rhombus if it is a parallelogram with all sides equal. So first of all we should prove this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and then we should prove all the four sides are equal. We are already given that the diagonals bisect each other. We have already learned in the previous theorem, if the diagonals bisect each other in a quadrilateral, it is a parallelogram. So we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we are going to prove all the four sides are equal. For this, consider the two triangles AOB and AOD. We can see AO is equal to AO common, BO is equal to DO is given, and angle AOB is equal to angle AOD 90 degree also given. From this we can say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD using the condition SAS congruency. Therefore, AB is congruent to equal to AD. AB is equal to AD using CPCT. Similarly, we can prove AB is equal to BC if we take the triangles AOB and BOC. From this we can say AB is equal to AD and AB is equal to BC. We know AB is already equal to CD since it is a parallelogram. So from this we can say a parallelogram with all sides equal is a rhombus. Question number 4. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. We have learned the properties of a square, that is diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here we are going to prove all those conditions when you are given ABCD is a square. So to prove diagonals are equal, we have to prove AC equal to BD. To show diagonals bisect each other, that means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, and diagonals are bisecting at right angles means each of the angles AOB, BOC, COD and AOD are 90 degree each. For proving the diagonals bisect each other, let us take the triangles AOB and COD. We have AB is equal to CD since all the sides of a square are equal. Second condition we can write angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Alternate interior angles are equal. Similarly, we can write angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Again, condition is alternate interior angles. Therefore, we have triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD using ASA congruency. From this we can write AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, and we proved the diagonals bisect each other. Now we are going to prove the diagonals are equal, that is AC is equal to BD. For this, let us take the triangle ADB and ACB. We can see the side AB is common for both the triangles. So the first condition is AB is equal to AB common. Now we can say AD is equal to BC all sides are equal, or we can say opposite sides are also equal. Now since ABCD is a square, we have all the angles as 90 degree, and therefore angle A is equal to angle B 90 degree. Therefore using the three conditions, we can write triangle ADB is congruent to triangle BCA using SAS congruency. From this we can write AC is equal to DB using CPCT, and therefore we proved the diagonals are equal. Now to prove the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, we are going to take the triangles AOB and triangle AOD. We can see AO is equal to AO common, AB is equal to AD since all the sides of a square are equal, and we just proved BO is equal to DO. Therefore we can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD using SSS congruency. Now we can write angle AOB is equal to angle AOD using CPCT. We can see the diagonal BD is a straight line, and angle AOB plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degree using linear pair. Since we have angle AOB is equal to angle AOD, we can write 2 times angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. From there we can find angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore we can say diagonals of a square are equal, bisect each other at right angles. Question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Here we are given ABCD is a quadrilateral, and certain conditions like the diagonals of the quadrilateral are equal. That means AC is equal to BD. Diagonals bisect each other means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, and they bisect each other at right angles means angle AOB equal to angle BOC equal to angle COD equal to angle AOD is 90 degree. We need to prove this quadrilateral will be a square if we have all these following conditions. To prove ABCD as a square, first we need to prove it is a parallelogram, and then we can show all sides and all angles are equal. We can see a quadrilateral's diagonals bisect each other means it is a parallelogram. Therefore we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, we can say AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD using the condition opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now let us consider the triangles AOB and triangle AOD. We can see AO is equal to AO common, BO is equal to DO is given, and angle AOB is equal to angle AOD 90 degree is also given. Therefore we can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD using SAS congruency. From this we can write AB is equal to AD, CPCT. So we have AB is already equal to CD, now AB is equal to AD. From this we can say all the sides are equal. Now to prove all angles are equal. For this, consider the triangles ADB and ACB. We can say AB is equal to AB common, BD is equal to AC, the diagonals are equal is given, and AD is equal to BC, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle BCA using SSS congruency. From this we can write angle A is equal to angle B using CPCT. Since we have AD is parallel to BC and AB as the transversal, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles are supplementary. We have angle A and angle B are equal. Therefore, our above equation can be written as 2 times angle A equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle A is equal to 90 degree. So, we proved each angle will be equal to 90 degree. Therefore, a parallelogram with all sides equal and all angles equal is a square. Question number 6. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. Show that it bisects angle C also. Again, we want to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Here we are given ABCD as a parallelogram and the diagonal AC bisects angle A, which means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We need to prove this diagonal bisects angle C. That means we need to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and ABCD is a rhombus, which means all the four sides are equal. We are given ABCD as a parallelogram. Therefore, we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4 using the condition alternate interior angles are equal. From this we can say since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which implies angle 3 will be equal to angle 4, which shows that the diagonal AC bisects angle C. Now we got angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, and which is also equal to angle 4. Let us take the triangle ABC. We are given angle 1 and angle 4 are equal. If two angles are equal, its opposite sides are also equal. From this we can say AB will be equal to BC. Similarly, in the next triangle ADC, we have angle 2 is equal to angle 3, which shows that AD will be equal to DC. Now we got AB is equal to DC and AD equal to BC using the condition ABCD as a parallelogram. From this we got all the four sides, which are AB, BC, CD and DA are equal. Therefore, we can say a parallelogram with all four sides equal is a rhombus, and therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Question number 7. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that the diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C, and the diagonal BD will bisect angle B as well as angle D. We are given ABCD is a rhombus. From this we can write all the four sides are equal. That is AB equal to BC equal to CD is equal to DA. Now we need to prove the diagonal AC is going to bisect angle A and angle C. That means the diagonal AC bisects angle A, which shows that angle 1 is equal to angle 4 and angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is what we need to prove. For this, let us consider the triangle ADC. We have the condition AD is equal to DC. If the two sides are equal, we call that as an isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, its base angles are also equal. From this we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We know ABCD is a rhombus, means ABCD is also a parallelogram. Therefore, we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 3 using the condition alternate interior angles. From this we can see angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Therefore, angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, and we can say the diagonal AC bisects angle C. Now in the triangle ABC, we can say AB is equal to BC, which shows that the triangle ABC will be an isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, its opposite angles are also equal. Therefore, we can write angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Again, since ABCD is a parallelogram, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 3 using the condition alternate interior angles are equal. We have angle 4 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 is also equal to angle 3. Therefore, we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 4, which shows that the diagonal AC bisects angle A. Similarly, if we draw the diagonal BD, we can prove the diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D.